The most important factor when trying to lose weight is your diet, and the most important factor in my diet when trying to lose weight is including high micronutrient dense foods. In this video, we're going to be breaking down what that even means, what are examples of high micronutrient dense foods, and let's get into it. Thank you guys for watching. What are micronutrient dense foods? I'm actually going to outsource this definition from Dynamic Sport Training. Nutrient density refers to the concentration of micronutrients, mainly vitamins and minerals. But the term micronutrient also encompasses phytochemicals, essential fatty acids, and essential amino acids per calorie of food. So this is essentially referring to the ratio of calories to how many micronutrients are in the food. And now that we got that definition out of the way, we can go to my first food group that I recommend, which is vegetables, and why I recommend them more importantly, not just the generic eat your vegetables, but why you should eat them as well. Number one reason why I recommend veggies is because they're very beneficial for weight loss. Veggies are low in calories, but super high in fiber. Fiber tends to fill you up. And other than the fact that it fills you up, it also normalizes bowel movements, helps maintain bowel health, lowers cholesterol levels, helps you control blood sugar levels, aids in achieving a healthy weight, and helps you live longer. After hearing all those benefits of fiber and micronutrient dense foods, here are some good examples of micronutrient dense foods. And this is breaking down a larger category of leafy greens. So good examples of leafy greens are arugula, bok choy, collard greens, kale, and spinach. There's other ones listed, you can take a look, but those are the ones that I eat. The other ones I do not recommend. And more on why you should consume leafy greens. Leafy greens are packed with vitamin A, C, K, folate, iron, calcium, and magnesium. A lot of bang for your buck with leafy greens. Well, all that's great, but what are all those vitamins actually for? What are you just taking them because they're vitamins? No, let's get into the actual benefits of vitamin A, C, and K. This is just what I found on Google. Vitamin K helps make various proteins that are needed for your blood. And then vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect cells against the effects of free radicals. And then vitamin A is important for normal vision, immune system, reproduction, growth, and development. So all these are very important to the function of your body. And the alternative is foods that are low in this. So I'm not just talking about McDonald's, and the alternative isn't just a Big Mac. It's a lot of those foods with a lot of preservatives that are pre-prepared. You may be thinking you're eating healthy when you're eating out, but you never know how much fat is added on. The ratio of spinach to croutons, the fried chicken in your salad, it isn't ideal for maximizing micronutrient density. That's why a lot of what I would recommend getting these foods that I'm saying in this video and then preparing them yourself so you can have more control over what's going into your recipe. And the next category of food that I recommend that are high in terms of micronutrient density is fruit. And let's get real for a second. Fruit are the fun ones to consume. They are not quite as good as vegetables tend to be, but because they're so tasty, because they're so delicious and versatile, it's a lot easier to incorporate them into your diet, especially in the way that I do it, which is in smoothie form. A lot of berries have a lot of essential vitamins, nutrients that you should be consuming, and making a fruit smoothie is just a really way to implement a lot of those key nutrients into your diet. And other benefits of fruit, as we talked about, vitamin C helps protect against free radicals because it is an antioxidant. A lot of fruits contain vitamin C, thus are have antioxidant properties. They're low in calories, good ratio of calories to micronutrient density. They tend to be high in fiber, rich in vitamins, and just overall, they're the GOAT. And now we're moving over to a macronutrient, that is protein. And what foods that are high in protein have a good micronutrient density? I'll start off with chicken, which may not be the best example, but it will be the one that I will be mostly consuming on this cut. And before we continue to why I love chicken and why it's such a good source of protein, let's actually address the question, why is protein so important, especially when you're lifting weights and trying to develop a good physique? I'm outsourcing my reason or the explanation from medlineplus.gov. And they say every cell in the human body contains protein. The basic structure of protein is a chain of amino acids. You need protein in your diet to help your body repair cells and make new ones. Protein is also important for growth and development in children, teens, and pregnant women. And specifically, why chicken is awesome. It's a good source of vitamin B, zinc, iron, and copper. And it is also rich in protein. And if you get chicken breast, the ratio of protein to fat is very, very solid. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is episode 4 of Mayday, as I've said, I think, a couple times now. I really appreciate everyone who watches. Consider giving this video a like, checking out my Instagram, radthadfit. I'll also leave a link to my merch, Natty Lifting Gear, in the description. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anything I left out, please leave in the comments. Let me know what I should include in future episodes. And that's it for now. radthadfit, signing out.